So I am filling my makeup today, guys. I have a MAC palette, little palette that I had gotten like 2 years ago, and I am obsessed with it. So another vlog for you guys, and of course another mess for me to clean up in this kitchen. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get right into the video. Okay, so I did not want to finish the dishes, so lazy housewife. We have a birthday party back to back on Saturday that we need to go to, so we're gonna run to Walmart and get some gifts for the kids. And yeah, so I'm gonna head there right now. I really want the G7X because, oh my god, I'm gonna have to return this movie. I keep forgetting. Everyone buckled up?
Yes.
What do you want? What? What is that? A dinosaur? Alright, guys. So what are you supposed to get a 8-year-old boy? I don't know yet. Hold that, Victoria. Do you think he would like that? Like a water gun? I feel like boys will want a water gun. A water gun or Nerf gun? What do you think? The water? Cute. You like him? Alright, so which one do you want to get her? You want to get her a diary?
Oh! I think so. I want to get her dip, Mama.
Which one?
Mama, I want to get her dip, Mama.
Like that one? Come on, let's go, guys.
Wait, the tower also the bike.
As long as you make sure that you safely get me home. Don't worry, baby.